Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be making a delicious Gulgula recipe. Remember, for all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box. Now here is what you will need for today's recipe. For ingredients, this is what you will need. In my bowl here, I have some banana, all-purpose flour, sugar, sweetened condensed milk, water, oil for frying, and in this little container I have some essence. You're also going to need some cinnamon, nutmeg, baking powder, and salt. Now for the next step, you're going to use a table fork and you're going to smash your banana into small pieces, almost to a smooth consistency. You can also use a blender for this step, but I don't want to dirty too much of dishes, so I'm taking the easy way out. Go ahead and keep on smashing your banana until it becomes nice and smooth. Once this is all done, you will place it on the side and we will move on to the next step. Now here's the consistency you're looking for. Once you achieve that nice consistency, we will place it on the side, and like I said, we'll move on to the next step. Now to a large mixing bowl, we're going to go in with our flour. Now the next thing, you want to add in all your dry ingredients, and we are also going to add in our sugar. Now go ahead and mix all the ingredients together. We want all the spices and the baking powder to be evenly distributed within the flour. Once everything is nicely distributed, we're going to go in with our puree banana. And I will also be going in with my condensed milk. Now it's time to place our spatula on the side and get our fingers dirty. Now go ahead and mix all the ingredients together. We are creating a batter here. So you want to go in with your fingers so it's going to be easy for you to feel the texture of the flour and how soft it's getting. Now we're going to add a little bit of water at a time. Remember, you're going to add just a little bit at a time so you don't get the batter too soft and runny. Now this is the consistency you should be looking for. Your mixture or your batter should be slightly thicker than pancake batter. Now after I'm done mixing my batter, I am going to cover it and allow it to sit on the side for about 35 to 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, I'll come back and show you guys the next step. So guys, it's been 40 minutes and I'm back to show you the next step. Now to my non-stick frying pan, I have some oil coming up to a nice hot temperature. You want to make sure that your stove is on medium heat at all time. If you have your stove on high and the oil get extremely hot, then your gulgula will burn. It will get very dark on the outside and you will notice that the inside is not going to be cooked. That is only because of the condensed milk and the sugar we use in the batter. So be sure to adjust the heat as needed. Now go ahead and pick up a little bit of the batter in your hands, and through your thumb and your index finger, you're going to squeeze a little bit out in the pan, like so. And you want to make sure you squeeze just a little bit at a time, and you want to go close to the oil. You don't want to stay too high away from the oil, otherwise it can drop with a force and spill the oil on you. So just be careful with that step. Now you want to allow these to fry over medium heat until you have a nice dark brown color. You don't want to remove them from the oil too light in color, otherwise it might not be cooked. If you are comfortable taking one out and testing it to make sure that it's cooked on the inside, then go ahead and do so. If you notice that they are getting dark too fast, then you will need to turn your heat down a bit. Now this is that dark brown color I am talking about. In the end, this is what you should be looking for. They are looking so delicious. Now I'm going to continue frying the rest and I'll come back and show you guys the end result. And here is the end result of my Gulgula recipe. I do hope you enjoy watching this video as I enjoy making it for you all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed for more delicious recipe. As usual, I want to say thank you for watching. Goodbye, and I'll see you in my next video.